Hey there. Are you ready to transform your streaming experience with your Roku? Today, we've got something exciting. We're diving into how you can unlock IPTV for your Roku. But first, here's something you must know. IPTV opens new streaming possibilities, and today, we're exploring how to access it easily. Let's jump right in. First, head over to 2tv.store for the best IPTV provider, trusted by many users worldwide for their excellent service. Navigate the user-friendly platform and choose a plan that fits your viewing needs. Make streaming stress-free. Now let's set it up on your Roku. Download the IPTV app from the Roku channel store. It's a smooth process. After installation, launch the app and enter your subscription details. It's as simple as that to start streaming. Witness a selection of channels and shows at your fingertips. The range of content will leave you amazed. Feel the difference in your viewing experience with high-quality streams, bringing entertainment right to your living room. No more juggling with cable setups or missing out on favorite shows. Your Roku now holds endless entertainment. Thanks for joining me on this IPTV journey with Roku. Stay tuned for more tips. Happy streaming with 2tv.store.